Here I have a bunch of data on baseball players. I have the players' names, position, etc., etc. I have all these different variables up here, but I'm only interested in two variables: a categorical variable, position, outfield, infield, designated hitter, catcher, and a quantitative variable, OBP, on base percentage, right here. Everything else I don't care about. So I want to know the mean, standard deviation, and sample size of OBP, but I want it separated by position. So how can I do this quickly? The easiest is using a pivot table. So you go to Insert. This is on using Microsoft Excel. Insert, Pivot Table, right here. And then the computer will automatically select the table for you. If it doesn't, then just change here where it says table range, just change the cell addresses of where the table is. Click New Worksheets and click OK. And then this will pop up. It's a list of all the variables or all the columns. And then we have filters, rows, columns, values. So take the two variables you're interested in: position, the categorical variable, and on base percentage, the quantitative variable. And then automatically it chooses position for the rows. I've got catcher, designated hitter, infield, outfield. And then go down here to values. You can skip columns and filters. That's not going to help you. So under values, I don't care about the sum of the on-base percentages. I want to know the sample size. So click where it says OBP, click value field settings, and click count. And then click OK. And so I have the number of catchers, number of designated hitters, and so on. And then I also want the mean and standard deviation of each of these groups. So just click the variable and just drag it over to values. And notice I have another column. And then do it one more time because I want 3 columns all together. No, it didn't work. Let's try that again. Well, maybe I have to select. Okay, so go to field settings again and click average, and then OK. So now I have the averages of each of those groups, or the means. And then one more time, click the variable OBP, drag it over. Okay, here it comes. And see if I can move it down. Well, it's not letting me move, so fine. I'll just click it one more time, valued field settings, and now I want standard deviation. Right there, and click OK. All right, so there I have it. I've got, for each of these 4 groups, I've got the sample size, I've got the standard deviation of each group, and the mean of each group. And then where it says grand total, I've got the total number of individuals in all 4 groups combined. I have the overall standard deviation of the variable OBP out of all the groups combined, and I have the overall mean of all the groups combined as well. And that's it.